Yes, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing? You're welcome to our members training session, which we do every Tuesday, 9 p.m., which is meant to help us understand the business, learn more, so that we can earn more. We have different activities for today. First of all, we'll just be going through, we will go through some crypto news. We will check out some RoyalQ updates, and then we will be doing some training. This training will be geared towards knowing how to trade better or trade the best with the use of our bullish reversal candlesticks. So, want to thank you all for coming here once again. Please, if we have all members here, if you're a member, just type the alphabet A. If I prospect, because I know some prospects would also want to show up in the meeting, just give me a B. Because I mistakenly posted it on my prospect group, and I think a lot of people want to show up. Right, so we got A's here. Do we have any B? Any B in the house? Good, 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 good. So basically, I'm sure we are all here as members. Right. So, do we have any questions? Let me start with my co-host, because I want people talking today. Do we have any questions in regards to what we have done? Some people are writing some very interesting questions on Sunday. So I hope they are here now, because here is an opportunity for you to ask all that you seek to know. Do we have any more questions in the house? Anyone who has something peculiar to ask or something they don't understand? Feel free to use the chat box to do that. Okay, so we're gonna go straight up to some crypto news for today. We need to check out some crypto news for today, which will give us an insight into what is happening generally in the market, um, in regards to trading and what we can expect. I'd like to share my screen once again so that people can quite understand how they can do this and check out the news that they have. Michael Lilly says, still struggling to understand the patterns on the chart. God bless you. Focus your mind and you can get it. There's nothing to it. They are very simple patterns that you can have. Kendrick Johnson, please ask your questions on the chat box here. Or maybe I'll give you the mic and see what you have to say. Please unmute yourself and ask your question if you want. Kendrick Johnson. Kendrick Johnson, please feel free to unmute yourself.
Okay, sir. Can you hear me now, sir?
I can hear you well. How are you doing?
Can you hear me now, sir?
I can hear you very well. How are you doing? Please go on.
I'm fine. I'm fine, sir. Good evening, everybody. Yes, my question goes straight this way. A situation whereby signal is being given and maybe someone is already on the market already, and that signal trying to enter that signal place another order. How can one go about it? That is my question, sir.
Come again, please. I don't understand the question.
A
Please ask.
situation in a situation whereby one have already placed a market before another signal, before a signal was given. I mean, the signal that our coaches, including, they are posting oftentimes, sometimes individual would like to just analyze the market yourself, and place your personal market before any signal comes up. So in a situation whereby you've already placed a market and you've released what you have in your account to that market, and a signal comes up, how do you do it to follow up with that signal? To maybe you want to still catch up with that signal that was given. So how does one handle that kind of thing?
Okay, thank you very much for that question. We have Dr.
Yes,
Hope in
sir.
the house. Dr. Hope, how are you doing? Please, can you help me to answer this question? Because I don't know how to answer it. Can you please unmute yourself and let us know from the man's question, what is your answer to it? Kendrick, thank you very much
All
for
right.
participating.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
So if I'm right, the question is there's a running signal and probably you came in late. So you want to know if you can come in and how can you come in, right?
Yes.
Okay, so there are different ways to it. And for instance, if you have a preset price, $93,000, and by the time you came in, it had already gone 94. So if you're good in using your charts, even ordinary, the one on the RoyalQ, you will know if it is already up and is about to come down. Just put in your preset price, even put it in. And then when you put your preset price in, the robot is going to pick it.
Is
It's
it on?
come. But if you insist that you really want to enter and the take profit is thereabout, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
About 5, just be on the safe side and take 2.5 at that point, depending on how far it has gone, and then you're good. Like if you see the chart, if it's there about half, you just take 2.5 or 2 and you're fine. The third way is that there is a way you can actually calculate the sell profit or the selling price. So what normally I advise people is if you get the calculation of how to calculate the selling price, what you need to do is enter at that price, then go to your robot on the dashboard, set in the sell price, it will sell. At any point you enter, once you just get the sell price or selling price in, once it gets to that point, it sells like every other person's own. So you can see there are several ways you can interpret it. I hope this helps.
Thank you very much, Dr. Hope. So, Mr. Kendrick, I hope this helps. I hope you are able to understand what she meant. Now, I noticed that quite a lot of people are new to the call, are new to RoyalQ, because some of the questions being asked here are things that we have handled before. But nonetheless, I'm going to speak with my brother George Elendu, so that by Thursday we're going to do a practical, just like he did when the class of Professor John Essie began, where we actually showed you how you can actually start to enter a trade. It's surprising that some people do not know how to enter a trade. It's very simple. It's very simple. So I think there's going to be a practical class maybe by Thursday where I'll speak with George Elendu so that we can run that back again using TradingView, how to check your trades and how to place a trade. Now, I just want to add something to what she just said, Kendrick. So let's say you have $100 and you have placed all your trades with $100, only for you to come back to the group and see that maybe Prof have dropped a signal on the group. It's not a must that you take every signal that is dropped, but if you want to take a signal, make sure you have enough money in your dashboard that you can use to do that. Now, there could be a practical example that Prof will say, take 10%. It doesn't mean that you take 10%. What you look at when you come there first, look at the time that the signal was dropped in the group, if it's more than 30 minutes or 1 hour. Secondly, you now look at the price. Look at the price, the set price when this signal was dropped. Now you go to your RoyalQ and check the trade, check the price. If the price has not gone far from what was dropped previously, you can go into the trade. If the price has changed and you see that the 10%, maybe like only 5% is remaining because maybe it has moved and hit more 5% profits, then you can take just 2% or 3% of that trade to be on the safer side. That's it basically. So as a note, I'm gonna talk to George Elendu. So we do that kindergarten simple class that anybody can pick up from. I hope that helps. So another question here is Damola. He said, if a signal is given with a profit ratio, do I have to use the profit ratio that came with the signal, or I can use the one I set on my strategy settings? Just exactly what I said. You do not need to follow the profit ratio of the signal, because sometimes even if they say 10%, sometimes they go hit 5% before it begins to go haywire. So you can also use your Akonushe to know what amount of profits you can take. A lot of us use TradingView. A lot of us use even Binance itself to study the trades and know the price range or draw the trend lines or be able to find some bullish reversal system there that can profit us. So actually everybody has different ways in which they analyze before entering into a trade. Victor Akacha, thank you very much for coming. You say you are new here. That's fine. Iso say, how do we calculate the selling price? How do you mean selling price? I'm gonna give you the mic. Iso, please unmute yourself and explain much further. What do you mean by how do you calculate selling price? Please unmute yourself.
Thank you, Tash.
Thank you.
In the question that Dr. Hope answered, she mentioned the idea of calculating the price. I really wish to know, because sometimes we come when a signal has been given, it's already on an increase, but we just estimate and take a little percentage. Let me say 5%, you take 3. But if we knew how to calculate, we can actually calculate and set the selling price that she said. Then it will sell at that price. The profit now will just, percentage profit will just be automatic, will come when you entered. The important thing is that it will sell at the selling price of that coin. So you will not have a problem of taking something that you are taking a percentage that you might even be more, and then the selling price is hit and this coin now starts dropping, and then you enter floating loss.
So Dr. Hope, can you expatiate a little bit on this? Thank you
All
very
right,
much
so
for your
it's very
question.
easy. Thank you. So if, for instance, you have BTC take 5%, and then you just entered and you saw that it had gone. So sometimes you may not be so sure like what percentage profit you're going to take. So if you want to use the SP, which is the selling price, what you do is 100 plus 5. 100 plus 5 is 105 over 100 times that preset price. There is a preset price always that is given that you should enter that trade. Then that is going to give you the selling price.
Iso, do you hear that now? I hope you understand that. Let me get her if she's gotten the point. Iso, unmute yourself. Do you understand what she's just said?
Yes, Dr. Hope, thank you very much. You said you take 100 plus 5, 105 on 5 times the preset price.
Yes, the preset price is very, very important. Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much. I've gotten it
So
now.
let me just help you. So one of the ways you can try that is you just give yourself a target. Like if there's a particular signal sent, whether you are if you're on that particular signal or not, just check when it is you hear sold off. Watch the price at which they said that. If you're online, maybe where the graph will have gotten to, you will see it's very close to what you have.
Very true. Very true. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for answering that question. So there's a question here. That I wanna. Christopher Cosiso. You said, what is the advantage of using lesser margin call to that of higher ones. Is there really an advantage of using lesser margin call? Use lesser margin call when you have low capital. But let me try to answer this question. You see, in crypto trading, particularly when using trading bots like a trading bot like RoyalQ, margin call refers to the level at which additional funds are allocated to buy more of an asset as the price drops. Yeah. So let's compare the advantages of using fewer margin calls to using more margin calls. Now, number one, lower capital requirements. You see, few margin call means that you have less capital, or it means that less capital is needed to support additional buying during market dips. I'll take it again. Few margin calls means that you have less capital that is needed to support additional buying during market dips. This allows you to diversify your capital across multiple trades or strategies. Number two, faster profit recovery on small rebounds. So with fewer margin calls, your average buying price is less diluted, meaning that small price rebounds could close the trade profitably sooner. And then you also have the fact that you can avoid tying up too much capital in a single trade when you minimize the risk of being unable to act on other opportunities. But let me tell you something about the advantages of margin call, because for some people they think margin call is bad or is wrong, or they feel bad when maybe they have $300 in their wallet and then only for them to come back, they see that all the money has gone into the trade. Some of my team members will call me and say, Barrister, I don't understand this thing. I had $200 here before, but right now I can see only $40. Or where have all the money gone? All I need to do is look through the trades. Maybe their entry amount is $40. You're going to find out that some trades already have $80, 120, 160 in it, meaning that the bot has automatically bought the dip for them using the USDT in their wallet. And so that's why I tell people, for the radical strategy which I formulated or which I'm using, I totally put off margin calls. If I have $600, I would buy $10 each of 60 coins. So there's no money remaining. So the margin calls will automatically come on as off. Will normally show off. But when those trades begin to earn profits, when the profits is getting much more in USDT, automatically these margin calls come on. Now, some of the advantages of using more margin calls is this. You see, while the focus is on fewer margin call, it is worth noting that using more margin calls can help average down your position, enabling profit exits, even in small price rebounds after significant drops. However, this requires significantly higher capital and carries the risk of overcommitment in highly volatile trade. But ultimately, choosing between fewer or more margin calls depends on your capital availability, risk tolerance, and trade strategy. So that's it. You use very few margin calls when you have small capital. But if you have large capital and you're trading on a few coins, then you can put on your margin call, because there's enough money for the bot to use to buy the dip, maybe when the trade begins to go south. Him that don't know you, you say, please add me to your WhatsApp group. Well, you can meet your upline to help you do that. Samson say, are there videos I can watch to learn how to trade successfully? There's so many videos. If you go back to our YouTube channel, you're going to see a lot of videos that you take your time to watch that totally explains how to do that. Damola, so where can I rewatch the videos for reference purposes? So I'm going to share our YouTube channel on here. That's the name of our YouTube channel, Crypto Trader Extraordinaire. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and watch all the videos there. If you have any questions, you can even put the questions on the videos, and I would verily attend to it. So I can see we have been able to tackle some questions on here. Let us move on to cryptocurrency news today. I'm going to go to sharing my screen because some people may ask me, how do you get the news? So I just want to show you how I get it from the beginning. I'll just simply go to Google and I'll type in cryptocurrency news today. Now, when you do that, the websites that show you different news on there. So we'll take a look at Coindex. I'm gonna open another tab. We're gonna look at CNBC, and then I'll scroll down a bit. Yahoo Finance, that's old. What is the status of the crypto market today? So do you know that the crypto market has surpassed $3 trillion as we speak? The crypto market has surpassed $3 trillion as we speak. You can come to CoinMarketCap and what is happening in the crypto market today? Cryptocurrency markets traded higher on Monday. I noticed that the market was kind of ranging today. There not much. In fact, I have not seen any coin that did 70 or 80% today. It's like the market is ranging. So cryptocurrency market traded higher on Monday, led by gains in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Solana, and the rest. The global cryptocurrency market cap has also increased. The upcoming US election, that's old news. Anyways, top cryptocurrency news today. Yeah, Binance Square. All right, we're just going to be looking at these three websites to see if we can get a full understanding of what the market is doing today. So most times when you wake up in the morning, it's very important that you first of all check the news. Check the news and also even Forex news to know what is basically going to happen in the markets. So this is Binance Square. There are a lot of news on here. Okay, Binance news, market news. Okay, so this news just dropped like 8 minutes ago. 8 minutes ago. Final FTX co-founder to face sentencing on November 20th. Larry Wang, one of the co-founder of FTX, will face sentencing in the Southern Court of New York. Bitcoin eyes 94K as ETF options launch. Brings increase in the market. So Bitcoin continues its march towards its new all-time highs, shrugging off bearish pressure as the BTC price staged a robust recovery near the $94,000 level. The market reacted to geopolitical tensions and anticipated a surge in liquidity. I guess yes, we're going to read that much more. Bitcoin surpasses 93,000. That's less than two hours ago, with a 1.38% increase in 24 hours. Interesting. Wow, we have 120 participants. This is awesome. I like that. More people showing up. That's good. Another news we can look at is Linear collaborates with X platform to restore official accounts. Just want to go down a little bit more. CryptoPunks NFT price surges amid market rally. NFTs are beginning to pick up. That's good. WBTC reaches a new all-time high increase of 1.78% in 24 hours. FDIC chief announces retirement plans for 2025. I just want to click on market news. Let's see if there's anything peculiar about it. Okay, let's go to Coindex. Coindex says Bitcoin makes new all-time high of 94,000 as ETF options go live. Spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds options are making solid volume on their first day. After Binance's 4.3 billion lesson, the rival crypto exchanges risk running afoul of US rules. Bybit, BitGet, and OKX combined have 877 monthly active users in the US. Data from Sensor Tower shows. It's unclear if they're checking prices or blah, 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 blah. Avalanche submits LATAM, Bitcoin at 100K, no longer a dream, believe traders, but the blow of top warning in near terms. My own personal prediction is that before the inauguration of Trump by January 20th, Bitcoin is going to hit 100,000 on or before then. El Salvador is getting its first tokenized US Treasuries offering. El Salvador is the first country to actually convert all their fiat to Bitcoin. The country runs, or its official currency is Bitcoin. So it's running on a blockchain, and the country has, within this past few weeks, have totally or maxed a lot of monies from the fact that they have held over, I think it's over 115,000 Bitcoin, 115, I think 1,150 Bitcoin or so. That's what the country has. And it has seen a lot of growth with the fact that Bitcoin has increased. We're going to go to Crypto World on CNBC. XRP jumps 4% after weekend rally, pushes token to 3-year high. CNBC Crypto World. So you can see that this Bitcoin ETF thing is making the news seriously. I wouldn't be surprised that Bitcoin gets up to 44 or 45 today. Bitcoin ETF option begin trading, offering a new way to hedge Bitcoin exposure. Bitcoin rises to a new record as investors absorb growing Ukraine-Russia tensions. Bitcoin rises over 16% in a week on hopes of crypto-friendly US policy. You will see quite a lot of things happening in relation to Bitcoin. Now, we should please note that whatever has happened to Bitcoin has 50% value to happen also in other currencies. As we hear good news about Bitcoin, so all other alt currencies are getting set for a growth, because it's natural when you see that a lot of investors are put money in Bitcoin. Let's say Bitcoin hits $100,000 or more. Investors will begin to look at all other altcoins in smaller caps and smaller values. So they will start investing in smaller altcoins. And there we're going to see a lot of altcoins increase in value because of this. So that's why it's important that we take note of what's happening in the world, what's happening in the news, and all that. Wally say, please, I'd like to know when exactly are we entering the bull run, because majority of your trades are still in deep and no sign of coming out soon, contrary to what we are told that they will come out of deep soon. Wally, I wish you can tell. I wish you can know when exactly you entered the bull run. Bull run begins with Bitcoin beating its all-time high. I'm pretty sure you should know that we're already getting in the bull run already, because Bitcoin has beat its all-time high. Do not sound negative. It will do you no good, because when every bull run begins, once Bitcoin increases and it gets choked up, all other coins follow. So if your coin has not come out from deep, then it doesn't matter, or it doesn't mean that the bull run has not set in, because my coins, a lot of my coins have come out of deep. So please, if you're in the house here and some of your coins were in deep before, or your stop trades are beginning to make profits, just type X on here, because mine I've closed over like 6 top trades already. I've been making profits. So please let Wally understand that even though his own coin has not come out, those whose coins have come out from deep, just use the chat box, just type XX on there. XX on the group, on the chat box there, so that he knows that it's not a matter of doom. It's not a matter of we said or they said. It is historical data. So, Mr. Wally, I hope you can see on there how many people's coins have been coming out from dips. How many people? So please Like Damola said, check your strategy settings. Check it. Check if you have it on stop trades. Check your stop trades. Yesterday, I was with one of my team members, and by the time we're checking his account on stop trade, he had over 5 trades already making profit. It was so painful because this is what I keep telling people. Don't just look at your active trades. Make sure you look at your stop trades because those stop trades ought to make profits for you because they've been in dip since, right? So you can imagine someone who's getting to close a stop trade at 25% profit. They're going to be paying that from your pocket. You'll be paying from your pocket if you don't know. Because even when you see a stop trade at -7, -5, -4, I mean, it's the best time to buy it because you'll be buying it a little less than what you stopped it for. Now, people want to see stop trade go into greens first, 5%, 10%. Let me tell you, whatever money you're paying on top of that, it is from your pocket. That should have been profits coming to you. So it's important that you always check out your stop trades. That God will help you. You say you don't hold coins because of lack of money, out of the abundance of the heart. Everybody here is a millionaire or billionaire, according to what they believe. Yes, so that's about stop trades. We've looked at this cryptocurrency news, and we see that there are good news about Bitcoin, which also portends good news for all other cryptocurrencies, even though I didn't see much movement in the market today. Yes. Okay. So you can check on the chat room and see what a lot of people have to say in relation to what you just said, Mr. Wali. I hope you understand that it's not an all of a sudden process. It's a gradual process that you visually can tell from even your own account as an active trader. Right, so we checked out Bitcoin news. Right, so I think we'll stop our screen now here. The next thing we'll be doing is going into, we've checked out crypto news now. The next one we'll be going to now is on RoyalQ updates. Some of us have the app. We just go straight to the trading. We do not check out updates on the RoyalQ app. I'm going to log in with my phone so we can do that on another side. It's very funny to me while we're on Zoom, some people are asking me many, many questions. Questions that they should be asking right here. They should be learning right here. I'm very surprised. If you're in the meeting, please ask questions in the meeting, not ask me directly on WhatsApp when you know that I'm doing a meeting on here. It's very, very unfair to me because you'll be distracting my attention. Try and hold some coins. So that's nice. That's true. I'm blessed to be here. I got my all-time high in RoyalQ through Floki. It was in deep for over many months. That's true. That's true. I had somebody who I helped stop his Pepe coin. 48 hours after, Pepe was doing over 30 or 40%. So please, it's very important that you check out your stop trades. It will help you a lot. Thank you, Temitokbe. Right, so I'm gonna log in with my phone so that I can share my screen. You can see all the updates from RoyalQ on a daily. Yes, so allow me to share my screen now. Yeah, so this is the home page. Right from the top of the screen, There are informations on there, not just the ones that are flipping in and out. Some persons come to me and ask, how many exchanges can I use my bot for? See the first question. You see at the top right corner, you see a Binance sign there. If you click on it, it shows you how many exchanges you can connect to your one bot. So we don't have a company that wants you to overspend money or you need to be paying for different bots for different exchanges. They make it so easy that you can use all these different exchanges you are seeing for this bot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 different exchanges. Me right now, I only have Binance and Bybit on my account that I use. So if I click on Bybit and I go down to my trades, it's going to show me what Bybit trades are doing. And I'm still going to address this issue that you can see on my phone here. Now, some people who just came into the business seem so flustered when sometimes they come on here and the figures of their trades are not showing. Maybe we're showing just 0.0000000 all the way down. That is a network issue. Basically, it's a network problem. You have more than 3 ways to handle it. Number one, when you come and see these issues on, first of all, go and restart your phone. Because I just got to know that some people can leave their phone on 24 hours, 48 hours, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. It's a machine. It needs to be restarted. Just the way you eat food or just the way you sleep after working so hard. It needs to go through that process. So when you see your phone showing 00 at that instance, you go and restart your phone, number one. Another thing is to go and check updates. Check for updates on your phone app. Type RoyalQ there. If there are updates, you're going to see it. Let me show you now. I'm going to go to my Play Store. I'm going to click on search under. I'm going to type RoyalQ. Now, most times when it shows you open, that means you are fully updated. But sometimes when you come on here, you see that it's showing you updates. So you can do that just by clicking on it. And then you can update it. If it's updated already, it'll take you here. That's number 2 way. Number 3 is the use of VPN. Now, some regions globally might have some outage in regards to internet. We see that happen a couple of times. It has happened to me too. So much that I had to go and put on my VPN. I have a VPN, NordVPN. You can get it for 1 week. They'll give you for free. You can pay for this VPN with USDT. VPN, having a VPN on your phone is not a bad thing. If you're a businessman, there are different websites that get restricted in different regions. So VPN is very important. It's not a Yahoo boy thing. It's a legal thing that everybody uses. For one reason or the other, you might want to connect to a website that is not open in your country. You can go choose connects from any country. I have people in Canada or in the UK, and sometimes they have these problems. They just come here, choose West Africa, and then they can activate. Once you put on the VPN, you go and open your RoyalQ. Sometimes you see that that problem is ended. That's another way to do it. The fourth way you can do this is go to your email. Somebody please write out the RoyalQ customer service email if you have it on the mailbox. It's called royalquantify@gmail.com. It's that simple. It's called royalquantify@gmail.com. Yes. So that's the 4 ways. So you can just type this royalquantify@gmail.com you can send a mail with your registered email address. Your registered email address is what you can use to do that. So you can just send a mail for your registered email address, take a screenshot and say, please, I cannot connect my RoyalQ is not showing me the figures for my trading. What could be the problem? Can you reset it from your end? Here's a screenshot to show you what I mean. And sometimes or most times they answer you. It doesn't take much before they answer you about that. So that's about network problems. Yeah. So on this top, like I said, we have checked this out to show you that you can combine different wallet address, different exchanges on your RoyalQ app. Also, when you click on this sign at the top sign, it shows you your login details, your security log, each time you have logged in and stuff. And then the bell icon at the top right corner. If you click on the bell icon at the top right corner, it shows you informations of things that have happened on your account and all the things that's going on. You can see that my margin calls, a lot of them are stopped. I don't really mind. When you come to order message, it shows you all the orders that have been made on your account on a daily basis. And when I say order, I mean those sell and buy orders that you see, that shows you what value of money you've earned over time. That's the important part of the top part of it. Now, this screen that changes, you can control it and read all the information on there one by one. Check out what's new with RoyalQ. You can click on that to know more. RoyalQ web version, that is royalqs.com. I think I have to write it down because some people might be in problem when they go out to, it's www.royalqs.com. It's not .io. This is the website that you can log in with on your desktop to check out your account. Right. So I'm just showing you know that this RoyalQ app is also used to trade futures, right? That's another thing about this app. It has so many informations that is bedazzling, I swear. AI margin call, safeguarding your investments and increasing your wealth. RoyalQ reminds you to beware of counterfeit scam. You see, it's at the official website, www.royalqs.com. Keep the platform safe from money laundering and illegal exchanges. Don't trust anyone. Please keep your personal information safe and avoid false information. Now, just above those figures or those pictures that are changing, you see something on there. I'm going to click on back. It keeps changing. Removing DCR from Bybit, new spot trading pairs 11 to 13. Removing Myra from OKX spot trading. You can see just below it, there's a 3 line by the right hand side. If you click it, it now shows you the latest announcements from RoyalQ. Today is 19th. You can see removing TRX USDC from HTX spot trading. You can see on the 18th, new fiat currency added. Removing DCR from Bybit spot trading. So you can come on here to see updates directly from the company as it affects our trading. So many information that the company puts up there, but some people don't know. Please, the app is your friend. It's where you make money. You know, if you press and spoil, it can't get spoiled because you're pressing it. You come to new listings. You can see that there are new listings on here, different pairs that have joined. This was the latest listing. You can see it here was on the 13th of November. You can see different pairs that have been put up on there for our trading pleasure. Removal notice. You can also see removal notices on here. So, like I said, it's important to go through your app, not just where you are making money, not just the revenue details or the strategy, because you tend to learn a whole lot more. Where do you get your link if you want to send someone your link to register? Where do you get it? I want the smartest person in the house to tell me, where do you get your link if you want someone to use it to register? Oh yeah, well, someone put it on the chat. Where do you get your link if you want to give it to someone for registration? Michael Olele, invite friends. Dr. OC Money. You must know now. Dr. OC, you know V25 that year now. I'm telling you, is invite friends. But you guess what? There's so many information here that you can learn from. If you go to user guide, there are many things on there. And I'm not sure a lot of people go through it, but I tell you, if you read all the information here, it will become clearer to you how the system works. Very important. Now you can go to more, just beside mentor, more. You're going to see a lot of information. So if I ask you now, say, how do you see your upline? Who's your upline? Show me your upline. Show me your mentor. Who's your upline? Show me your mentor. How do you get it? Where do you see that information on your dashboard? Where? Oh yeah, somebody tell me, where do you see that information on your dashboard? No, it's not mentor now. I see as a mine. No. Emmanuel under mentor. No. If you click on mentor, it's just your mentor you want to see. With this button, you're going to see both your upline and your mentor. Okay, I've clicked on more now, Michael. So where am I going to see it? Michael, I've clicked on more. Yeah, tell me. I see it's not seen. Where do you see information that shows you who your upline is and who your mentor is? Click on more, then mentor. Come on now, that ain't gonna do it. You go to my counsel, hey, Dr. OC Money. Now you see, that's why you're making money. See, if you don't learn, you can't earn in this business. You go confused if you look the app without pressing it one by one. Go to my counselor. I'm going to go to my counselor now. And you're going to see it. My counselor is my first account. Lawyer Taj. My mentor. This is my first account. Lawyer Taj. This is my second account. This account has hit V2. My first account is on V2. I got to make sure 4 accounts are on V2 so I can go to V3. Remember what we talked about in network marketing series class every Friday? Okay, well, I hope you learn. So there are a lot of information on here. Please take your time to go through them. Go through them yourself. And it's important too that you always come on here. You see this plus sign. The plus sign just above the search sign at the right side of the screen. You must always come here most times. Click on the plus sign. You know why? Because every week or every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks, RoyalQ puts up new trades, new coins that are up for trades. So you always come here, click on sports. Then you click on all at the bottom. But mine is not clicking because I virtually do this like every three or 4 days, sorry. Then you click on all, then you click on add. That way you add all the coins. So it's not like you now start looking for a coin to trade when actually you have not added them to your coin management list. So another thing people don't understand is that it is not only USDT that is the base currency here. You can also have a system where BTC is the base currency, or Ethereum is the base currency, or USDC, which is another stable cryptocurrency, as your base currency. But we use USDT just because that is what we are used to. Some other people in RoyalQ can use USDC or BTC or the rest. Yeah. So, of course, under strategies where you see all your trades on as they go. Me, I trade without margin call. I'm not say I'm very rich now. Very, very rich. So I don't use I don't use margin call. My theory or my strategy is having the ability to buy those 60 coins that I have earmarked for the bull run. Once I'm able to get all the 60 coins, I'm ready for the bull run. Right now, I'm just half ready. I'm not 100% ready yet. And of course, I'm sure you know how to put off margin call and put on margin call, right? Put it on and off. You can always do that. Put your margin calls on and off on the system. Now, I want to open one secret many people don't know. Do you know that also in our RoyalQ, you can have professional traders trading for you? Not you. Professional traders trading for you. So if you click circle shows you a lot of professional traders on here that trades for you. Now, Circle are professional traders who have passed the test of RoyalQ, and they are not allowed to have their own strategies and system where people can link onto. They charge you a certain percentage on your profits. You don't give your money to them. They trade for you and get a certain percentage. Some of them are 10%, some are 5%, some are 2%, some are even 1% that you get. But the important thing is knowing how to set those trades before you hand it over to them. I'm going to show you an example now. So from V2 upwards can actually have a circle. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to click on the plus sign at the top right corner. You see scan QR code, create a circle. My leaders in the house, a lot of people are not looking into this, but me, I'm going to get my circle pretty soon because I'm trying to work towards getting the requirements. You know that third strategy that I've been sharing to everybody. I'll have to keep it secret for some time so that when I get my circle, you can now come and join my circle. My strategy will now be trading for you, and I'll be getting maybe 1% or 2% off your trades. So if I click on create circle, you can see, you can type the circle name. I've qualified already. Oh, wow, I didn't even know. Okay, I'm going to handle this later. Okay, so if you're not qualified, when you come on here and click the create circle, it's going to tell you that you need to make $1,000 in a week. You have to close about 100 trades with no loss, this and that. So I actually thought that I needed up to $10,000 in my account so I can see if I can rake up 1,000 a week. But like you can see, I've done that already. So I'm going to create my circle afterwards. Congratulations to me. more money, more money. But here's what I'm saying. You can actually have professional traders trading for you while you are learning. But you need to be careful about it. I'm going to click at, you see that English, that sign beside English. I'm going to click on it. It shows me highest 7-day profit, highest total profit, chronological order. Oh, it's 10 o'clock already. So what you guys think? Do you think we should stop the meeting now? If you want us to stop the meeting, type 1. But if you want us to continue, type the letter 2. As you can see, I'm still in my suit. I just have to run in and then I put up this meeting so I don't keep people waiting. So if you want us to close, just type 1 now. Make us see 1 now. Make us see 1. And I never tire. Information full everywhere. Are you playing? Dr. OC Money, bad guy. You see, Dr. OC, Mona tell Dr. OC, na my guy, as he say one, so last I could just stop the meeting. Co-host, what do you think? Should I continue? You can unmute yourself or let me know. Our co-host. Okay. Shall I say two? Co-host, Dr. Hope, I'm talking to you. Moinuddin,
All
Dubai.
right. So we just keep to our words. We said 9 to 10. So we are people of integrity. We just stop. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Integrity. You know what? The two many past one. Let's just finish this. I wanted to do some training in regards to trading too, but we've not gotten there yet. So can I ask the house for more 20 minutes? If you want me to do it in more 20 minutes, just type A so I can go on. The first 10 people, I'll take it as done so we can extend it a little more. A, let's see A if you want us to continue. Mm-hmm. Fahad. Fahad, you're not gonna make me admin for your Telegram group, eh? Okay. Oh. Yeah, I go clear, no worry. Right, okay, let me just continue. Right. So I clicked on the side and let's say 7-day profits. If I click on 7 days, higher 7-day profits, you're gonna see the first person there is Dr. Neves, Brazil. You can see I joined this guy group a long time ago. I've actually used the strategy and it's pretty good. But the good thing is this, all I can tell you from my experience with Circle is that yes, they make money for you. Yes, it's hands-free. Yes, you can do other things and they be trading for you. But you actually can make more money if you add your knowledge, if you still do it yourself. So I have some team members who their money is totally on Circle. I have some team members who put half of their money on Circle and they are using the other half to learn more about it. Yeah. So that's some hidden gems that we have on here that some people still don't understand how to use. I understand how to use Circle a whole lot because these figures that you're seeing as this percentage shows you the different coins that this guy is trading. He's trading over 500 different coins. So don't be surprised when you see them with high percentage because that is being calculated on the values of the many coins that they are trading. If I click on sync strategy, it's so easy to do this. I can change this is where it becomes very tricky. Don't let anybody tell you that Circle is not working. They don't know how to use it, Joe. They don't know how to use it. If they know how to use it, you can do very well with it. But let me leave that part of it. I don't want anybody to be dissuaded because you need to learn how to trade. The more you learn, the more you earn. And if you know how to do it yourself, you actually earn much more. But don't be deceived. There are professionals that can do it for you too in this system. Yes. So basically, that's what I want to show. There's still a much more, but I need to end this part of the session. So we'll jump on to where we have to rack our brains a bit. I like the part where we rack our brains a bit. So how do I stop the screen now? Stop sharing. Okay, we'll stop sharing. The next part of it is us to go into some crypto training. We're gonna end it with this. This we're gonna do for 10 minutes. But let me see if we can take some reading on here too. If that is gonna help us. I'm sorry, I have to share my screen again. So remember that we had some training when Prof wasn't around, so we had to use our Learn Crypto Trading app. How many people have downloaded that app and how many people are using that app? If you are, just type yes. If you're not, just type no. If you are new, please go and download Learn Crypto Trading. It's an app on Android. Maybe you won't see it on Apple, but I think you might see something else on Apple. But this is the app itself. Um, I decided not to be doing it myself so that at least everyone can be carried along. But we can actually do a lesson and then take a test. Him that we don't need to know if you deleted yours. Now your own pocket with that. Right. So I'm gonna let me go on to the app. Let's check out. I think we did some lessons the other time. Yes, we did bullish candlestick patterns. Should we look at crypto analysis? We haven't done anything on that before. Can't sign up for Binance in USA using VPN. Samson, it's simple. You have people in Nigeria, right? Tell them to sign up Binance for you. In Nigeria, they'll sign up Nigerian Binance. The US Binance is one kind. But if they signed up for you in Nigeria, you can then open it with your VPN, even though you're in the US. Simple. So tell me, I want you guys to choose crypto analysis or bearish candlestick patterns. Crypto analysis or bearish candlestick patterns. The first person who tells me what to do is what I'll do. Slime Slick, you're looking good. Crypto analysis or bearish candlestick patterns. Slime Stick, you have removed your wig. I hope you know that we are seeing you. How can we get the app? Please go to your app store. You can download it on there. So I think we have to do crypto analysis. I think it's better for us. So 1 minute, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, it's going to take us 16 minutes to read through and then we can do the test. You think we guys should do it? You think we should do it? 16 minutes reading and then we can. Introduction to crypto analysis. Yes, we're starting now. I've just said the name of the app, Emmanuel. Introduction to cryptocurrency analysis. Cryptocurrency analysis is a process of examining and interpreting data related to cryptocurrency market in order to make informed investment decisions. This analysis involves gathering data from a variety of sources, including price charts, market data, news articles, and social media sentiment. The primary goal of cryptocurrency analysis is to identify trends, patterns, and other factors that can help investors to make informed decisions about buying, holding, or selling cryptocurrencies. By analyzing these factors, investors can better understand the market dynamics and make more informed decisions about their investments. Why it matters. Cryptocurrency analysis matters for several reasons. Number one, volatility. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile, with prices often fluctuating rapidly and dramatically. This volatility can make it difficult to predict the market and make informed investment decisions without conducting thorough analysis. By analyzing market data and other relevant factors, investors can better understand the risk and potential rewards associated with investing in cryptocurrency. Number two, limited regulation. The cryptocurrency market is largely unregulated, which means that there's a higher risk of fraud, scams, and other illegal activities. By conducting thorough analysis, investors can identify potential risks and avoid fraudulent or risky investments. Number three, diverse range of assets. The cryptocurrency market is diverse, with thousands of different cryptocurrencies and tokens available for investments. These can make it difficult to understand the unique features and potential of each asset without conducting thorough analysis. Co-host, please let me add the people on the call. Number four, emerging technology. Cryptocurrency is a relatively new technology, and the market is constantly evolving. By staying up to date with the latest trends, news, and developments in the industry, investors can make more informed decisions about their investments and stay ahead of the curve. Types of cryptocurrency analysis. There are several different types of cryptocurrency analysis involving fundamental analysis and technical analysis. So what is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis involves examining the underlying factors that can affect the value of a cryptocurrency, such as market demand, adoption rates, and technological advancements. By analyzing these factors, investors can identify potentially undervalued or overvalued cryptocurrencies. Technical analysis involves examining price charts and other market data to identify trends, patterns, and other indicators that can help investors make informed decisions. This analysis may involve the use of various technical indicators, such as moving averages, support and resistance level, and volume. And then the third analysis is sentiment analysis, which involves examining social media, news, and new sentiment to identify potential market trends and shifts in investor sentiments. This analysis can provide valuable insights into the market mood and help investors make more informed decisions about their investments. Right, so we're done with introduction to cryptocurrency analysis. So we're going to go back there, market and trading volume. Market cap and trading analysis. Cryptocurrency market capitalization and trading volume are two important metrics that investors and traders use to evaluate the performance and potential of cryptocurrencies. In this lesson, we will explain what market cap and trading volume are, how they are calculated, and what they mean for the crypto market. What is cryptocurrency market capitalization? The market capitalization of a cryptocurrency is the total value of all the coins or tokens in circulation. It is calculated by multiplying the current market price of a cryptocurrency by the total number of coins or tokens in circulation. Market cap is an important metric for investors because it gives them an idea of the size and potential of a cryptocurrency. For example, if the current market price of Bitcoin is 50,000 and there are 18.7 million Bitcoin in circulation, the market capitalization of Bitcoin is 935 billion. This means that Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Market capitalization is also used to determine the rankings of cryptocurrencies on market cap ranking websites like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. What is cryptocurrency trading volume? Trading volume refers to the total amount of a cryptocurrency that has been traded in a specific time period, usually 24 hours. It is calculated by multiplying the total number of coins or tokens traded during that time period by the current market price of the currency. You guys take note, because we're going to have a test afterwards, so we'll know the Olodo in the house or the intelligent people in the house. Trading volume is an important metric for traders because it gives them an idea of the liquidity of a cryptocurrency. High trading volume means that there is a lot of interest in buying and selling a particular cryptocurrency, which makes it easier for traders to buy and sell their positions without affecting the market price. So the good question now is, how are market cap and trading volume used in crypto analysis? So market cap and trading volume are both important metrics for crypto analysis because they can help traders and investors make informed decisions about which cryptocurrency to buy, hold, or sell. Here are some ways in which these metrics can be used in cryptocurrency analysis. One, evaluating market cap. Market cap is often used to evaluate the potential of a cryptocurrency. If cryptocurrency has a large market cap, it means that it has a large user base and is widely adopted. This can make it a more attractive investment opportunity, as there may be less risk involved compared to investing in smaller, less established cryptocurrencies. However, market capitalization can be misleading. Some cryptocurrencies may have large market cap because the supply of coins or token is limited, rather than because there is significant demand for the cryptocurrency. In such cases, the market capitalization may not accurately reflect the true value of cryptocurrency. Analyzing trading volume. Trading volume can be used to analyze the liquidity of cryptocurrency. So high trading volume means that there are many buyers and sellers in the market. which makes it easier for traders to buy and sell their positions without affecting the market price. On the other hand, low trading volume can make it more difficult for traders to buy and sell positions without affecting the market price. This can be especially problematic for traders who need to exit a position quickly. So comparing market price, market cap, and trading volume. By comparing market cap and trading volume, investors can get an idea of how actively traded a cryptocurrency is. For example, if a cryptocurrency has a large market capitalization but low trading volume, it may indicate that there are few active buyers and sellers in the market. This could make it difficult for traders to buy and sell their position without affecting the market price. On the other hand, if a cryptocurrency has a large market cap and high trading volume, it may indicate that there is strong demand for cryptocurrency, making it a potentially attractive investment. In conclusion, cryptocurrency market cap and trading volumes are two important metrics for investors and traders. Market capitalization can give investors an idea of the potential and the size of a cryptocurrency. So you see why Dr. Money always tells us about market cap, looking at market cap in order to analyze a coin, if it's going to grow in value or not. Very important. We just have 12 minutes to go. This is finished. Now, this is going to talk about fundamental analysis in crypto. Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating the intrinsic value of an asset based on economic and financial factors that affect its supply and demand. In the world of cryptocurrency, fundamental analysis involves analyzing various factors that affect the adoption, development, and overall use of a particular cryptocurrency. These factors include the project's white paper, team, community, partnerships, and adoption rate. In this lesson, we'll discuss the basics of fundamental analysis in cryptocurrency, including the various factors to consider, tools and techniques, and best practices. Factors to consider in fundamental analysis. White paper is a core document that outlines the project's objectives, technology, and potential use cases. Two, team. The team behind a cryptocurrency project is a critical factor in its success. The team's experience, skills, and track record in the industry can provide insight into the project's potential for success. Number three, community. The size, engagement, and enthusiasm of the community surrounding the cryptocurrency can provide an indication of its potential adoption rate and overall value. Number four, partnerships. Strategic partnerships with other projects or businesses can provide insight into the potential use cases and adoption rate of cryptocurrency. And number five, adoption rate. The adoption rate of a crypto refers to the number of users or businesses that accept and use the cryptocurrency. A higher adoption rate can indicate the potential for greater demand and value. So what are the tools and techniques for fundamental analysis? Number one is news sources, staying up to date on the latest news and development in the cryptocurrency industry, just like we did when we began the class. That's something you should do in the morning when you wake up. So it gives an idea on how the market is going to run. Cryptocurrency market analysis tools. These are several market analysis tools, including CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and TradingView. These provide data on market cap, trading volume, price trends, and more. Social media. Also, monitoring social media platforms such as Twitter, Reddit, and Telegram can provide insight into sentiment and engagement of the community surrounding a cryptocurrency. So what are the best practices for fundamental analysis? Number one, DYOR, do your own research. It's important to conduct thorough research analysis of various factors that affect particular cryptocurrency's value. Number two, consider both quantitative and qualitative factors. While quantitative factors such as market cap, trading volume, market trends are important, qualitative factors such as project's team and community can also provide valuable insight. Number three, monitor news and development. Keeping up to date on latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency industry can provide valuable insights into the potential for adoption and partnerships, as well as potential threats or challenges. Number four, very important, diversify your portfolio. Nobody knows which coin won't blow. Don't be deceived. We can only make an hypothesis. We can only predict. We can only guess. We can only think. But in all those, make sure you diversify your portfolio so that you don't go and regret, hey, I did trade this coin before. I don't know, say go shoot to. Conclusion, fundamental analysis is a critical tool for evaluating the potential value and success of a cryptocurrency project. By analyzing various factors such as the project's white paper, team community, partnerships, and adoption rate, investors can make informed decisions about their investments by using a combination of tools and techniques such as news sources, market analysis tools, and social media to maximize potential returns. Oh, but this is because they look like it's long, but we never give up. We never give up. Never give up. Never give up. Never give up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Quantitative analysis. Quantitative analysis is a data-driven approach to investing that uses statistical modeling and mathematical computations to identify trends, patterns, and potential opportunities in financial markets. In the context of cryptocurrency, quantitative analysis can help investors make more informed decisions by providing a deeper understanding of market dynamics and identifying potential opportunities for profits. So types of data used in quantitative analysis: historical price data, trading volume, market capitalization, social media sentiment, and other market indicators. Other market indicators used in quantitative analysis include technical indicators such as moving averages, RSI, and Bollinger Bands, as well as macroeconomic trade indicators such as inflation rates, GDP, and interest rates. So what are the tools and techniques used in quantitative analysis? Quantitative analysis in cryptocurrency investing uses a wide range of tools. Statistical model, number one. Number two, machine learning. Three, data visualization. Four, algorithmic trading. So using quantitative analysis in cryptocurrency investing, quantitative analysis can be used to inform investment decisions in a variety of ways. Here are some examples: trend analysis, market timing, portfolio optimization, and risk management. So in conclusion, quantitative analysis is a powerful tool for cryptocurrency investors looking to make more informed decision. While quantitative analysis is not foolproof. Right, so we're almost there. Market cycles and trends. We're just going to skim through it. Cryptocurrency market analysis. Okay. Understanding cryptocurrency market cycles. Market cycles, very important. The cryptocurrency market has seen several market cycles since the launch of Bitcoin in 2009. These cycles are characterized by periods of increasing prices, followed by sharp price drop, and then a period of consolidation before the cycle begins again. There are four main phases in typical cryptocurrency markets. I think we have talked about this before. Accumulation phase. This phase is characterized by a period of low prices, and investors who believe in the long-term potential of a particular cryptocurrency start accumulating it at a lower price. Markup phase. This phase is characterized by increasing prices and is often driven by speculation and hype. As the price of cryptocurrency continues to rise, more investors enter the market, driving up demand. Distribution phase. This phase occurs when the price of the cryptocurrency reaches a peak and starts to decline. This is often a decline in trading volume as investors take profits. This phase is characterized by a sustained period of declining price. Markdown phase. This phase is characterized by a sustained period of declining prices and is often accompanied by negative.
You are no longer audible.
Okay, sorry about that. Yes, I guess you can hear me now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, markdown phase. This phase is characterized by a sustained period of declining prices and is often accompanied by negative news and investor sentiment. As the price continues to decline, investors who bought in during the markup phase start to panic and sell their holdings. So we know cryptocurrency trends, uptrend and downtrend. Uptrends and downtrend. Sideways trend. A sideways trend occurs when the price of a cryptocurrency moves within a defined range without any significant movement in either direction. So recognizing market cycles and trend, there are several technical analysis tools that can be used to identify market cycles. Moving average, relative strength index, Fibonacci retracement, and Bollinger Bands. All these are indicators you can use to know if a market is overbought or oversold. Please note that. Using market cycles and trends in investments. Understanding market cycles and trends can help investors to make informed investment decisions. For example, during an accumulation phase, investors may want to consider buying a cryptocurrency at a lower price in anticipation of a markup price. Right, even myself, I don't believe football. Let's go to the coin test analysis. Let's just go straight to the test. Anyhow we do, I believe we have done more than 60%. So let's make it the more interesting. This is the time where I will need you guys to type on the chat to see if we have the answer correct or not. It's just 10 questions. I never type now. What's wrong with this fool? So we go on. What is the purpose of fundamental analysis in cryptocurrency investing? Number one, to analyze market trends. Number two, to analyze technical indicators. Number three, to analyze a project's financial and economic factors. Number four, to analyze trading volume. What's the answer? What is the purpose of fundamental analysis in cryptocurrency investing? When I was reading just now, some people were almost asleep. Over 20 people left the class, but like I always say, it's good. That's when you know those who are serious. So what is the answer? What is the purpose of fundamental analysis of cryptocurrency trading? To analyze the project's financial and economic factors. I'm going to choose that number three. Correct, Olayemi, that's good. So what is the purpose of quantitative analysis in cryptocurrency investing? One, to analyze the project's financial and economic factors. Number two, to analyze market trends. Number three, to analyze trading volume. Number four, to analyze technical indicators. Quantitative analysis. Quantity, quantitative, quantity, quantitative. To analyze what? Rich, you said number one. Temi, you said number three. Sunday, you said number four. What is the purpose of quantitative analysis in cryptocurrency trading? Number one is wrong. What is the role of market cycles and trends in cryptocurrency investing? What is the role of market cycles and trends in cryptocurrency investing? To predict long-term price investments, to analyze the project's financial and economic factors, to predict short-term price movement. To predict long-term price movements, to analyze the project's financial and economic factors. So the answer is to predict long-term movement. What is tokenomics? Tokenomics, the economic system of a cryptocurrency project. Number two, the study of social media sentiment. Number three, the study of market trends. I think the answer is number one. Right. What is token utility in cryptocurrency project? Token utility, like the usability of the token, the value of the token in relation to the price of Bitcoin, the usefulness of the token within the project ecosystem. That's the answer. The value of the token in a financial asset. I believe number two is the answer. Arit, number two. I want one more person to tell me. What's the answer? Olayemi. Number two is correct. So what is the role of community in cryptocurrency project? 1, to provide financial support. 2, to provide legal support. 3, to provide marketing support. And 4, to provide technical support. What is the role of community in cryptocurrency project? What's the answer? What do you think is the answer? Jukemi said number 3, to provide marketing support. Correct. That's good. So this is the 7th question. What is the purpose of market and trading volume analysis in cryptocurrency investing? What is the purpose of market and trading volume analysis? 1, to predict long-term price movement. 2, to analyze the project's financial economic factors. 3, to analyze market trend. 4, to predict short-term price movement. What's the answer? Riti Rondi, what's the answer? Number 2, to analyze the project's financial and economic. Don Chi, you said number 2? Okay. Woo. The answer is number 1, to predict the long term. What is a white paper in the context of an ICO or STO token? It's a legal document that outlines the terms and conditions of the token sale. A document that outlines the long-term vision for the cryptocurrency project. A document that explains technically, that outlines the marketing strategy. What is it? What's the answer? The document that outlines the long-term vision for the cryptocurrency project. That sounds good. Number 2, okay. Yes, Riti Rondi, you got it. Congratulations. Right, what is a roadmap? A document that describes technical analysis, a document that describes fundamental analysis, a document that describes market sentiment analysis, a document that describes a cryptocurrency project. What's the answer? Number 4, a document that describes a cryptocurrency project. Dr. O.C. Money, a document that describes a cryptocurrency project. Very correct. And the final question today, what is the primary objective of fundamental analysis in cryptocurrency? What is the primary objective of fundamental analysis in cryptocurrency? 1, to analyze market trends. 2, to identify trading patterns. 3, to predict future price movement. And 4, to evaluate the intrinsic value of a cryptocurrency. I like the one when they speak English, so that intrinsic value. Number 4, I think I'm gonna go with number 4 too, but remember to analyze market trend. It's not just fundamental analysis. To identify trading patterns, that's not just what fundamental analysis is. To predict future price movement, that's not just what it is, but to evaluate the intrinsic value sounds good. Right, so we got only 3 questions wrong. That's good enough for us today. So yes, so I guess that brings us to the end of the class. I want to thank all 65 of you who were here till the ending. Well done, well done, well done to everyone. I know we stretched our mind, stretched our brain for this 1 hour, 30 minutes class. I'm sorry it won't happen again. But learn to stretch your brain because it needs stretching so that you're not going to dull. You know, you don't need to be dull. Stress the brain. It's important that you stress it. It's very important. I want to thank you all for being on this class. I hope you have had value. If you had value for this class, just type a yes. If you did not learn anything, just type no. If you had value for the class, type a yes. Yes. Yes, thank you very much, all of you. Thank you very much, all of you. Sunday Atimbang, Mr. O.C. Money, Emmanuel, good, good, good. Joseph Bruno, yes. Riti Ronde, thank you very much. Dr. John Olayemi, who's putting a screenshot on here? What screenshot is that? Okay. Well. Right, so thank you all for coming on the call. We're going to call it a day. So I'll speak with George and see if we can do something about the early traders, for those who have just joined us who don't know how to trade at all. We're gonna see if we can take the nitty-gritty of the class. We're gonna see if we can take the nitty-gritty of trading to the simplest form so that we all can understand it for those who are new to crypto trading. Also, on Friday is our network marketing series class volume 2. For those who want to build a team, for those who want to create residual income, for those who want to earn even though they don't have so much money trading, that is a class for you where we share the tips of how to create a wonderful team of crypto traders. Remember, our class on Sunday is for prospects. So all of us here, we should be targeting at least bringing 5 people to listen to the business on Sunday. You can start now. You can start today. Just go through your phone, itemize 5 persons that you just tell about the business, send a video or two and tell them to join us on Sunday. It promises to be an awesome time, ladies and gentlemen. So I want to unmute you guys to say your goodbyes and God bless you. In fact, the person who's loudest enough to say God bless you, that person is going to earn at least $3,000 tomorrow. So God bless you, everyone.
God
Bye
bless you,
bye.
lawyer. Take
God
care.
bless
God bless
you
you.
all. Bye bye. Bye bye.
God
God
bless you
bless you.
all.
Bye bye.
God bless you, sir. Thank you so much.
God bless